Hey everyone, welcome or welcome back. This evening I'm using a tester soap that I've had for a little bit and I thoroughly enjoy. The company is Heritage Hill. Now, I did not get this from Heritage Hill. This soap was sent to none other than CDB sometime last year, I believe. Can't remember exactly when. But he used it, CDB mostly bowl leather, so he scooped some out, shaved with it, and with permission from Heritage Hill, has sent that on to me. So I've been using that off and on here and there. It's been kind of, I've traveled with it quite a bit. It's in one of the 3-ounce containers. Scentless is fantastic. So since it's such a small puck, I'm going with my Simpsons T1. And we're just going to face lather today. There we go. Nice quick load. Now that did not get all over the place like I thought it would, because I had this kind of blooming, not a ton. I was thinking I might go the John June approach, but not a lot. Didn't really dump out a whole lot of pseudo suds. So anyway, the scent is fantastic. Regretfully, I can't say what that scent is right now. I don't have permission to do so. I've been asked not to share the scent notes or scent profile by the gentleman at Heritage Hill. Suffice it to say that it is fantastic. It is a scent that I thoroughly enjoy. That's why I face lather with it occasionally. It is not what I plan on getting rid of. And I don't show face lathering or belly lather very often. I've used Heritage Hill quite a bit on the channel. And I don't think I've shown the lathering process or how easy it is to lather. Now Heritage Hill they just released a couple of soaps that are available now on the Razor company in their 3-ounce size. So they offer 3 ounce and 6 ounces. The only difference is the size. The cost per ounce is the exact same, which is awesome that they do that. Most artisans that offer other sizes of their products charge more for less in the smaller containers. You can see this whips up very easily. "15-second load, a little bit of water, I'm good to go." Scent strength on this, off the puck, is about medium. Once lathered, it kind of goes a little bit slightly above medium. This could probably take a little more water, but it's nice and peaky. Yeah, it could take more water. So why not? Shave itself should be pretty quick. Man. This is a great scent. When I first got this from CDB, I asked if you knew the scent notes on it because it was just phenomenal. I forget what the scent was. He had reached back out to the gentleman at Heritage Hill to get information. And I talk to the guys at Heritage Hill every once in a while. We kind of chat off and on. Really great guys, by the way. So, we talked about the soap, about their products, Now, because Marion actually turned me on to Heritage Hill initially with the, crap, I can't remember the name of the soap, Continental, I think, the tangerine and menthol. Really turned me on to Heritage Hill. Then I got this from CDB, and I think I have all but one of their scents. None of them in the Resign labels. Those labels look really good, by the way. Check out Heritage Hill, link to their site below, as well as the razor company. Razor this evening is going to be the Eco with the same crown blade as I used in the Katana in, I think, my last video. But we're going to go with the Eco. Yep, Katana's definitely smoother. Same blade, Katana smoother. But the Eco wins for me because those little posts in the front you can't see because lighting's awful. I would like to see the Eco come out in a V2. That's smoother. Not saying this is bad. It's just not the most comfortable razor I own. And I know Restocked could do better. I mean, I have the Hawk V2 and that thing is smoothly efficient. This is efficient, just not as smooth. Which is odd because the head geometry is very similar to that of the Hawk V2. I don't know if that's because of the type of blade being used. That it's a thinner DE blade versus a thicker AC blade. That has something to do with it. But definitely not as smooth as the Katana. If only the Katana had a better way to load that flipping blade, it'd be so much better. So much better. At the end of the video, I took the blade out, tried to put it back in. Took me about 3 tries before I get the blade aligned without uneven exposure. And that's just not okay for me. The price is right in the Katana. That's annoying. To me, that's a deal breaker, showstopper. Just, I don't want that inconvenience of taking forever to load the blade. Shouldn't be that fiddly. Going on 24 hours of growth, as per usual. Also, as I mentioned in one of my last videos, there's a giveaway coming up soon. Quite a few giveaways, actually. Pete Hendricks, over at Hendricks Classics and Company, has generously donated a couple brushes, some soaps for you to give away. So I'm trying to figure out if I want to do multiples, like give a brush away, because I have 6 of the brushes. He has 2 types of brushes. He has the dark candle one that you can find on the website. It has a little bit of backbone to it. Good amount of scrub. Then he has a white handled one that I used in that video that is softer, not as much backbone, but still decent enough to use for bowl lather, face lather. I mean, not that the black candle one has too much backbone. It's a nice amount of backbone. I think it's a good amount, actually. They're both great brushes. I use them both frequently. As you've probably seen if you look at my Shave the Day videos, photos on Instagram or the Facebook groups. I use both of them. Let's do a quick side by side. So here's the black handle. You can see just a little bit, takes it a little bit more. Still sprays easily, just a little bit of force. And then the white handle sprays very easily. Kind of like the Monster. Reminds me of the Monster type Plisson knot. It's about this soft as a Restocked Monster knot. Get that vibe to it, just a lot smaller, so it's not gonna eat up as much soap. And then I have 2 pucks of the White Star soap. They get both in Barbershop, I want to say. And then 2 sticks of his White Star. Now the White Star is still a really, really good soap. It's phenomenal soap, actually. I have a shave stick down underneath my sink in White Star. So comment below. How should we do the giveaways? Should I give away like each brush individually and then do like a shave stick? I think I have 2 shave sticks and 2 pucks of soap. Now the pucks are wrapped in foil, so there's no tub in the White Star. I believe they are scented. I have to verify, but I believe they're all scented soaps. I want to see the Barbershop. This Barbershop's really good too. So I should do the giveaways for like 1 brush each and then do like, save 2 brushes, 1 puck, or should I do like 1 brush each and then do giveaways with like, here's the shave stick and 2 brushes, or a shave stick and a brush, a puck and a brush. Probably be handy if I knew exactly the numbers of how much I had. And then I also have the sample pack that I won from bbs.live, but I already have HCNC. You can see that she's going out for residual. 0 problem whatsoever. Stuff is phenomenal. That's why Heritage Show is one of my favorites. Top 5. Eco's not my top 5 for soaps or for razors. Good razor, just not my favorite. And then for budget conscientious, great razor, good price. Takes half DE. You can get a 100 pack of your favorite DE blade, whatever works best in it. Double the life of the blades by snapping them in half. I'm going that route because it only takes half the DE. Now this soap that's coming out, I believe the folks at Heritage Show said it's coming out soon, is all I know. They said it should be coming out hopefully. Man, that potion is amazing. Tons of slickness left. Actually, really close shave with that Eco. Eco's a really good shaver. It's just not extremely smooth. It's not uncomfortable. It's just not super smooth. It's the only downside. But anyway, going back to Heritage Hill. This soap that I have in the 3-ounce puck. It's absolutely phenomenal. You saw that 15 seconds or so load with the T1. Small knot. Plenty of lather for my 3 passes. I would have loaded probably a little bit longer with the T1 if I shave off the goatee, but you can see enough lather there for another pass if I needed to. Excellent stuff. Can't go wrong with Heritage Hill. That's a little bit brighter scent than some of the other ones. It's not fruity, I can say that. But it's nice. It's very nice. I'm excited that it's hopefully coming out soon. I've had this scent for probably a year or so. I really like it. I keep asking the guys if they're going to bring it out, if they're going to release it. And they say they're working on it. So the scent I have here probably isn't going to be the final product. But knowing the guys at Heritage Hill, it'll be better than this. And this is already a winner for me. When I first got it, it was a little bit weaker on the scent notes. Or scent strength, I should say. But I don't know, over time, it's gotten stronger. And I love it. So anyway, before I get too long and start rambling, thank you guys for tuning in. Stay tuned for the giveaway. Let me know in the comments below how we should handle that. Next video, I'll put up the quantities of what I have and probably show a picture, maybe at the end of this video. But anyway, let me know what you think I should do with the giveaway, how we should handle that. Giveaways, multiples. And I'll catch you all next time.